Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vina Febriana Putri with NPM 20110402232, class PBI 4D. In this video, I will review a film with the title KKN Desa Penari.
Kamu tahu benda apa ini? Keduanya milik sang penari, penguasa desa ini.
Kami ke sana untuk menjalankan proker KKN kami.
Tapi desa yang kami pilih ternyata bukan desa biasa.
Yang terjadi selanjutnya benar-benar di luar dugaan kami. KKN ini tidak berjalan seperti yang kami harapkan. Sejak datang ke desa ini, kan udah gak pernah sholat lagi toh.
Ibadahku ibadah untuk urusan.
Luweh apik. Awakmu gak usah melo-melo.
Apa yang kamu lihat adalah makhluk yang menguasai tempat ini. Dia marah karena apa yang kamu bawa ke dalam desa ini.
Based on a mystery thread from the Simple Man account, KKN Desa Penari has its own challenge to satisfy the expectation of the reader of the thread on Twitter. These films managed to attract the attention of millions of Indonesia viewers with various opinions spread through social media. This horror film tells the story of 6 students who are doing real work lectures or KKN in a mysterious remote village. They are Nur, Bima, Anton, Widya, Ayu, and Wahyu. The lives of these students are threatened by a series of dangerous actions by Bima and Ayu, who are allied with Badarawi, the dancer. The KKN film is visually capable of fulfilling the imagination of the readers of the thread on Twitter, from the village landscape to the characters. The pictures and sound design of this film are so exotic that the audience eyes are spoiled and entertained by the reality of this magical village. Unfortunately, there's no daring exploration of the thread to film adaptation. Hence the many predictable scenes and jump scare. When we talk about the KKN Desa Penari, we cannot escape the female character in the film. We become a victim, and is a victim of the thread of spirit. The biggest burden must be borne by the 3 female characters, namely Widya, Nur, and Ayu, who every day become the target of spirits. Widya, present in the dancer village, attract the attention of spirits who had long been waiting for a young woman to be sacrificed. Having an attractive appearance and warm blood, Widya was to be lined up to be Dao, or the new dancer leader who replaced Badarawi. Nur, who has a protective spirit figure, must protect Widya from the influence of the dancer who is trying to take her life. On the other hand, Ayu becomes the tool of the spirit to get Widya with various sweet promise. This suggests that Ayu as a woman is easily tamed and cannot control her feelings. Apart from the polemic on the truth of the true story of KKN Desa Penari, women in this film have to bear more burdens than the male characters who are both visiting the village. The existence of this sacrificial system is what makes the villagers have to give up the lives of their daughter every year. In the ghost world of the dancer village, women are used as entertainers who have to dance all the time until a new woman takes their place. Even in the supernatural world, the female dancer is depicted as the center of attention and surrounded by men who need entertainment. The more sensitive nature of women make the depiction of female characters in this film much more sensitive to about disorders than men. However, this does not make the three women in this film weak and unable to control their choice in the midst of threat of the supernatural world. These three women are powerful enough to fight supernatural beings together in their own way. However, Noor is the most courageous female character in the making decisions to help her friends. Even among other male friends, Noor acts as a leader who acts as an umbrella to protect his friends from the threat of spirits. Noor's strong principles supported by strong religious teachings made her the first to make important decisions in the interplot of these films. The important thing that Para Puan highlight in the KKN Desa Penari is that women are still the object of men's eyes, both from stories and taking picture. Malgage is an act of taking picture from a masculine perspective that depict women as sexual object. In this film, this is shown through shooting when Ayu and Widya are asleep on the bed. Taking a panning camera movement, the film perspective seems to invite the audience's eyes explore the female body, especially the curve of the waist. In addition, instead of emphasizing mystical elements, the dancing can also use a male gaze perspective, which focus on the curve of the dancer body. The application of this male gaze perspective focus on Ayu characters, making her a sexual object, along with the story of her character being tamed by the devil's seduction. With this perspective, the public is invited to normalize the punishment given to Ayu, which is considered appropriate because throughout the film, this character seems to be only a sexual object. Overall, in my opinion, the film KKN Desa Penari is entertainment and a satisfying answer to curiosity. However, like Indonesian horror films in general, there is still a lot of homework to be done in placing to the position of the female character in the story and visual. Okay, thank you. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.